Welcome back to Let's Learn with Mrs. W. I'm Mrs. W, and today let's learn how to make a concertina elephant.
Let's learn with Mrs. W. What are we learning today?
For this activity, you will need a white piece of paper, scissors, a grey lead pencil, and some coloured textures or pencils. Let's get on with the activity. To start off, I'm using my grey lead pencil and I'm going to draw a big oval in the middle of my page. Then on either end, I'm going to draw a line down the side just like that. Your line doesn't have to be perfect, but try keep it straight. Now, with that, I'm going to protect my table. I'm using a chopping board, and I'm going to colour in this strip. This strip is going to be the elephant's trunk. So you can use your coloured markers. You can keep it grey, just like the elephant colour is, or you can make it colourful and using all your different colours. I'm going to make mine colourful. Now that I have finished colouring in my elephant's trunk, I'm going to use my scissors and I'm going to cut along that line to separate it from the rest of my paper. Now I have my elephant trunk ready and I've started drawing my elephant. I'm going to finish that off now. So we have the elephant's face. Now elephants have two big ears on the side of their heads. What else does an elephant have? That's right, two big eyes. Is there anything else that an elephant has? So it has ears, eyes, a trunk, and tusks. Well done. So I'm going to put two tusks on the side of its face. And now we can get to folding our elephant trunk in our concertina way. So let's get started on that. So to concertina something, it means to fold it back and forth. So we're going to start with this section. We're going to fold it backwards, press it down, and then where they meet there, I'm going to fold it forwards. And we're going to try keep it even along the way. So we went backwards and forwards, then backwards, good job, then forwards, then backwards, squishing it down as we go, then forwards, then backwards, then forwards. And I'll fold that little bit down there too, backwards. Now that I have my elephant trunk and I've concertinaed it, you can glue or sticky tape it onto your elephant's face. So I'm going to just glue that little section there, the first bit I folded, and I'm going to stick that down right in the middle of its face. And there we have it, a concertina elephant. Now that we're finished with our colouring our trunk and drawing its face, you can colour in the rest of your beautiful elephant's face. Well done on creating a wonderful elephant. I can't wait to see all of your beautiful designs. Thanks for learning with Mrs. W. See you later.